How to use the Symbicort pMDI inhaler. This looks like this. It's the equivalent of Symbicort, but it's a puffer. You have to remove the mouthpiece cover. You press on the sides. This removes it. And then as you're pressing on the inhaler, it will basically trigger it. You'll have to inhale that puff as you're breathing back in. So you first empty your lungs of air, and then you'll have to slowly breathe back in. And as you're doing that, you press on the inhaler and continue inhaling slowly to the top. At the top, you hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as you can, and then slowly release. It looks a little bit like this. And slowly release. I'll show you that one more time. So breathing out, and then as I'm slowly breathing it back in, I press on the inhaler. It looks a little bit like this. And slowly release. And then put the cover back on. All done.